You need to eat good food, tasty food, but don't know how to cook? Well, worry not, because you have this all-in-one kitchen robot with you, which is going to cook food for you. Also tell you some yummy recipes that are inbuilt in this robot. How does it work? What else does it do? We'll tell you all about it right away. And yes, those who don't know how to cook, you don't need to learn. This will do all the magic for you. So this is the kitchen robot from Wonderchef, and they're calling it Chef Magic. It's all-in-one kitchen robot that promises to help you in the home cooking experience through fully automated cooking processes. You want to have tasty food but can't cook? Worry not, because this kitchen robot will cook for you. It has lots inside than the outside. Yes, this one is equipped with hundreds of preloaded recipes and a smartphone-like touchscreen interface. All you gotta do, put the ingredients, select your favorite recipe, and the food is gonna be all set. The Chef Magic stands out with its integration of advanced technology features designed to simplify and embrace the cooking experience. It boasts over 200 preloaded recipes, accessible via a smartphone-like touchscreen that you can see right now. This intuitive interface guides users step by step, weighing ingredients and performing various cooking functions, including mixing, chopping, steaming, sauteing, blending, frying, stirring, and even kneading. That means, आटा अब यही गूंदेगा, खाना अब यही बनाएगा, वो भी गर्मा गर्म. One of the standout features of the Chef Magic is its connectivity. The connectivity to Wi-Fi. The device can receive new recipes weekly, tailored to customer preferences. This ensures that users always have fresh culinary options at their fingertips. So, there's a lot of recipes here. Every week you get one recipe that's gonna be new. That means a new food to taste every week. The mobile app allows for remote operation, enabling users to monitor cooking progress from anywhere in their home, providing unparalleled convenience and freedom. The device has quite a many inbuilt weighing scale options for precise measurement, 360-degree induction heating for uniform cooking. The touchscreen interface, as I told you, give lots of functions that are customized. Chef Magic includes specialized blades for different tasks, all-in-one smart jar, steamers, and a patent cleaning tool that automates the cleaning process in just 3 minutes. It has 2-year doorstep warranty to make it going. The 200 preloaded recipes here, like we told you, these are curated by the renowned chef Sanjiv Kapoor. The recipes encompass a wide range of cuisines, including Indian, vegan, Jain, continental, Thai, Chinese, Italian, and Mexican. Also, Wonderchef has collaborated with nutritionists to develop recipes tailored to specific dietary needs, like diabetic-friendly, heart-healthy, and gut-friendly options. Well, the Magic Chef is priced at Rs 49,999 as an introductory price, and yes, you can buy it from the official website and major retail outlets. Well, no cooking, no messing up of kitchen, and lots to eat. And say thanks to this Chef Magic.